Hey guys, so today we're going to be testing out the Imethod Beauty Brow Stamp Kit. So I've been seeing these all over the internet, like Instagram and TikTok, and it's basically a kit where it comes with stencils and you stamp on your eyebrows with this thing. I have such trouble with my eyebrows. I've said it before in other videos. Like, I basically don't have any, and so I have to draw them on all the time, and it's such a pain in the butt. Like, every time you go out of the house, you're gonna draw your eyebrows on, and it's hard to get them, you know, even and everything. So I saw this, and I was like, okay, I'll try it. Another video I had, I tried out a brow stencil kit, but it was with, I think there's like a pencil. This is supposed to be better. It's some kind of stamp. You stamp it on. It's supposed to look more natural. So I got this, I think, in the darkest color they had. I think it was like brown black, because I usually use like a really dark color anyways. So let's open it up. This is what it looks like. And see what's inside. This one got pretty good reviews because I looked at a few of them, and some of them didn't come with that many stencils. This one came with a bunch, and oh shit, there's a lot, and came in the darker color that I needed. So this is the thing. This feels really light. This is the thing. Wake up your dream brows. Okay. Oh, so just, it looks like that. I think it's a cream. Is it a cream? I know some are creams and some are powders. So it looks like that. It's not, that's not dark enough for me. We'll see anyways. But these are some of the stencils it came with. There's like, what is this? Like 3 different packs of stencils. I got this off Amazon. It was cheap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, there's so many. I mean, there's gotta be one in here that's gonna be good for me, I hope. Here's some more. And what is this? This was like another kit, but it looks like it doesn't belong to this set. It's like they just threw it in here from like a different brand. Random. This one's like, this is like really flexible plastic, and these ones are like a hard plastic. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use the hard plastic. I don't know what to do. I mean, these are like really big. These are all big. Like, sometimes I like my eyebrows that big, but most of the time I just like them smaller. Like, I want a nice arch. This one has a nice arch to it, but it still looks awfully big. I could make a joke there, but I already made that joke in my other video. Oh my god. I don't know. Like, see how some of them have like, I don't know if you can even see that. Somewhat of an arch, but they're really big in the front. This one's, the one I picked out is probably the smallest. Wow. I thought there was gonna be a better selection. It's literally like all the same eyebrow over and over and over again. And then there's these flexible ones, but I'm not sure about these. They just seem strange. I'm so freaking confused. What are these? Like, what? I don't understand why these are in this box. Should I read the, I mean, they look exactly the same as the other ones. Is the directions? Am I supposed to do something where like I overlap the stamps? That can't be right. I don't know. Just says like, you know, when my stamp dry out, will it work with my current shape, or the color doesn't match, if it's too dark, too light, blah, blah, blah. Do we have directions on how to work this thing? No. I guess we just figure it out for ourselves. And there's some, oh, this is like the thing, but I barely have any hair. Oh, it has a little brush on the end if you want to fill in, I guess. I think we're just gonna try it. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Can you guys even see that? Like, does it even make a difference? It looks too big. This is like not happening. I really don't see this happening. They're all way too big. I'm like trying to fit it on there the proper way. This is like a recipe for disaster. Like I wanted this nice arched one, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Because I really don't have a starting point, you know, because my eyebrows are uneven as it is. Like this one is less hair in the front than that one. So I kind of sometimes have to like put this one forward more. I was really excited for this, but I'm really let down by these. These stencils are horrible. They're like literally like all the same stencil. I don't know, it's like somewhat in there, my eyebrow. Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be so bad. Am I doing it? Let me look in the mirror. Oh my god, I feel like this is not good. This is not good. Nothing's coming out. Oh my god, this... You can see my black eyebrow through it already because this color is not dark enough, and it was literally the darkest color they had. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not the color that I need. I'm gonna have to fill this in. But can you see like my eyebrow up there? I feel like, I don't know. Something's not right. Oh my god. There's too much hair up here. Like too much of this hair didn't fit within the stencil for what I wanted. Whatever, I'm just gonna do the other one and then just see what happens. Like, how am I gonna line this up? Seriously? How am I gonna line this up? This is supposed to be easy, and I feel like this is giving me more trouble than I already freaking needed. Like this one doesn't even fit at all in this stencil. I'm just like stamping it like inside the tube kinda, getting some more stuff. Let me look in the mirror. I feel like I'm like, like running out of breath from doing this. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh my god. What happened? The other side of the stuff got in my face. Because I didn't wipe it off. I like totally didn't even think of that. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my god, this is so bad. How's that look? I'm so pissed. Now I'm gonna wipe all that off. Oh my god. You must be like, she's an idiot. If you guys have used this before, let me know, and I don't know, let me know how it's worked out for you, because I feel like either I'm just a moron. Either I'm just a moron, or this is just not, I don't know. Not made well, I guess. Maybe that's why the stamps are so big, because like the hairs need to fit in there properly, but I don't know. I think because I do mine a particular way. I don't know, let's try it again. I'm just gonna do it over here. It's hard to look in the camera and do it. I feel like no product's coming out. But then like here, it looks like there's stuff, you know what I mean? Oh my god, I moved it. That's not good. Whatever, I had to take it off. This one's darker because I moved it and I like couldn't get it back. I feel like they're crooked. I don't know, this is ridiculous. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should like just fill them in, but it's like, what's the point? The whole point was just for this thing to work. Should I look at one? Let's look at one of these other stencils. Maybe the flexible ones will work better for me. Cause see, these are like, straighter ones. That one, but my real eyebrows are so arched, like just right here, they're like this, you know, they don't go like this. So it's really, this is just really hard for me to find something that matches. I think I'm gonna try this one. The arch is kind of like more on the end here, so maybe that'll work better for me. Anyways, let's have like a little small talk while I redo this. I made a TikTok video the other day. It's like some challenge people are doing. It's like the ring light challenge where you're like, you look plain, like, you know, you just have like basically normal clothes on and like no makeup, and then you switch and like people, like, you know, a lot of people, like women do, like they look really sexy, or like guys do the same thing but they like have no shirts on, or some people like I've seen do cool themes where they change into like a character or something. So like that's what I did, and you know, I got all ready and stuff. It took me a while, and then I had a sword for a prop, and the video posted last night. This morning I wake up, they took it down. Dangerous activity, because I have a sword prop in my video. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm like, this has got to be a joke. There's people on there like chugging booze and like punching people, or people getting hurt. There's women like basically half naked and stuff. I mean, that's sexual content. But me holding a prop of a sword is like dangerous activity. I was like, whatever. I'm like really pissed about it. Now I have to like do the whole thing all over again with like some other prop, because God knows what somebody's gonna do. Where's somebody gonna get a sword, and what are they gonna do? Like, I was holding it. I wasn't like miming like killing myself or killing somebody else. I was literally like holding it. Most ridiculous thing ever. Let me know if you guys have had issues yourselves with that. All right, let's try this one now. Let's try the other eyebrow first. It's so difficult to line this thing up. It's like not even funny. Because my my eyebrow is like just not even, it's like just like a ridiculous shape in there. You see that? Yeah, this is supposed to be darkest brown black. It's not black at all. It's just brown. I wouldn't even say it's dark brown. It's like medium brown in my opinion. It's not terrible, but it's huge. Like, it's just really big. That's what she said. I can't. I wasn't gonna say it again, but I had to. I'm sorry. Okay, let me just do the other side. Wipe it off this time. This is not gonna be even, I can tell you this right now. I feel like this one moved too. It's really hard to hold the thing on here. I mean, there's not much more you can do, but they're crooked. They're freaking crooked. This one's higher than that one. Can you see that? They look terrible. I don't like this thing. I don't like it at all. It just, maybe if it's like closer to your tone that you need, like color, but I mean, look at my hair and then look at that. It's like it's too light. I feel like this is a repeat of the last kit I had. I don't know, I'm not doing it again. I give up. This was like, you know, I tried it twice. I just don't feel like It's really good. I feel like the size of this is just ridiculous, and I'm telling you, like, these are like the smallest ones in here. There isn't very many. It's not. They're not. They don't get any smaller, basically. So all these, and basically there's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. So this was like a waste of money. I don't think it was that much, though. I forget, what was it, 12 bucks, 15, something like that. I'll put the link for it below. I don't know, maybe if you have bigger, bushier eyebrows, it'll work for you, but this just doesn't work for me. Look at, you can see my eyebrow underneath it. It looks ridiculous. So, no good. So like I said before, if you guys have tried this kit out for yourself, let me know if there's a better technique to it, or if you've tried one similar that has worked better for you. But I think I'm just gonna stick to the gold pencil and brush that I usually use, because I'm screwed. There's no help in this department for me. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this fail video with me, please give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I do all sorts of stuff here. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I have a Ko-fi account if you want to donate to my YouTube channel, one-time Ko-fi. I have Patreon. Thanks to all my patrons. I really appreciate you guys. With everything I have going on, I just really appreciate your support right now. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.